Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So, in this video, our topic of discussion is unitary method. Unitary method is an important method in mathematics that we normally use in our daily life. So, its understanding must be there for a mathematics student. Okay, so let us watch this video and try to understand the full concept of this method. Now let me introduce through an example to this method to you students. Say what is the method is this. This method is having three parts. In one part, the given part. The first part is called the given part, where as for example I take some flags. Okay, there are 4 flags. Okay student, now this is a given part. If it is given that the cost of these 4 flags is 80 rupees. Okay, what I said, if the cost of these 4 flags are 80 rupees, then what will be the cost of same type of 7 flags? Okay, so you see how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the 7 flags are there and I have to find the cost of these. So in my left hand this was the given part and in my right hand this is the part whose value I have to find. Okay student, now how will I reach from this question part to that answer part? Now this approach is called the unitary method. In the unitary method we will take the help of this given part to find the cost of a single flag. Okay, this single unit's cost will be find out and this will be used to find the cost of the question part. Okay, we will use this cost of this single unit to find the answer of the question part. So student, this method is called the unitary method, where firstly the cost or the value of the one unit is being find out and that is used to find out the required as per the question. So how this applicable in the question we will learn in this video. So student, for the 100% concept clarity and the so many questions regarding unitary method, you must watch this video till end. The video may be lengthy but it will give you the 100% concept clarity and the solution of the all type of questions and the situations in the real life. So student, let us start this video. The topic is unitary method. Dear student, here in this question 2.5 kilogram of whitewash is used to cover 725 square meter of an area. Okay, this is the given situation and the first part of our question is that how much kilogram whitewash is required to paint 2001 square meter of area. Now you see, for 725 square meter area we require 2.5 kilogram whitewash, but for 2000 square meter area we will require more than 2.5 kilogram of whitewash. Okay student, now we will solve this question with the help of unitary method. Now here you will see that which term we have to find. We have to find in the question part how much kilogram whitewash. So kilogram of whitewash will be written on the right hand side of the equal to symbol. So 2.5 kg. I will write it here. Now what is this? Now I will make the statement. 2.5 kilogram of whitewash is used to cover 725 square meter of area. So I will write 725 square meter area requires how much whitewash? 2.5 kilogram whitewash. Okay student, now after that I will write 1 just below the 725. Now 2.5 divided by 725. Okay, as we know, when we write 1 then we will have to divide. Now again, how much area is given in the question part? 2001. 2.5 divided by 725 multiply 2001. Okay, now I will have to solve this. Now we will solve here. 2.5 multiply 2001 divided by 725. See students, after decimal, how many numbers, how many digits are there? Only one. So I will write 10 and avoid this decimal. So I can write this 25 2001 725 multiply 10. Okay student. Now 25 and 725 both are divisible on table of 5. Okay, so I will divide 5 5s are 25 and I will divide this 725 with 5. 145. Now I will divide this 45 145 by 5. 145 divided by 5, 10 and 9. You cancel. So this cancel at table of 29. Now student, you will see that is this 29 will cancel 2001 or not. For this, now 29, we don't know the table of 29, so I will multiply 29 with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I multiply with this 6. Then 6 9s are 54, 5, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 5, 17. So 29 multiply 7. Now you see, when I multiply 29 with 6, then the answer is 174, that is less than 200. But when I go on 7, then it is more than 200. So I will write less than 200. Okay. Now 6, 2 and 1. Here you will see that 261. Now 9, 29. 29 is there. 29 multiply with 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 8, that is 26. So 261 at which number? 9. Okay. So 29 divide 2001 exactly at 69. Clear student? Now 21 can divide this at directly 69. So 69 over 10. 69 over 10. Now 69 over 10, it can be written as 6.9 kilogram. So This is the answer. So student, here you see, I will write the answer. For 2001 square meter area, we need 6.9 kg whitewash. Now student, you can see this question completely. We have also done the rough work. Okay, you can see it here. These are all the calculations, students. All the rough work has been done for your convenience. So, if you satisfied and understand all the concept of the unitary method in this question, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. And also press the bell icon to get the notification of new and latest upcoming videos. Now you will see the second part of this question. Now in the second part, it has been asked that what area in square meter can be covered by 4.75 kilogram of whitewash. Okay, so here what is the question? We have to find the area. So let us watch the given portion. Here what was area? 725 square meter. Okay, so in the question part we have to find the area. So we will write area to the right hand side of the equal to symbol. So what is the area? 725 square centimeter. 725 square meter. Now what is the statement? What is this area? As per the given statement, 2.5 kilogram of whitewash is used. Now is used to cover 725 square meter area. Now write the statement that 2.5 kilogram of white wash is needed for 725 square meter area. Okay, now in the unitary method, what we will do, I will write this one. 725 square meter will be divided by 2.5. Okay, square meter. Now what is in the question part? What area in square meter covered can be covered by 7.5 kilogram? Now in place of 1 I will write 4.75, that is 725 divided by 2.5 multiply 4.75 square meter. As we know, when we reduce the quantity, then we will divide. When we increase the quantity, then we will multiply. So as we done as the earlier question and the part 1 of this question. So now I will solve this. 725 multiply 4.75 and 2.5. Now student, you will see after decimal how many numbers are there? 2. And after decimal how many digits are there? Only 1. So if I make them like decimal, then we can skip the decimal. So if I write here 10, then these become like decimal. Now the question becomes like this. Okay, student? Now you can see, now you see 250 and 475 both are divisible by 25. I divide 250 by 25, the answer is 10, and I divide 475 by 25, the answer is 19. Okay, student? Now I will multiply 725 with 19. 725 with 19. Now 9 5s are 45, carry 4, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 22, carry 2, 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 2 that is 65. Now 725. 13775. Now we can write 13775 over 10. Clear, student? Now this is the decimal fraction, so I will write decimal from the right hand side of mine after counting one digit. Okay, so this square meter area can be whitewash in this quantity of whitewash. Okay, student? So this is my answer. All the rough work is there, student. This is all the rough work has been done, and all this is the solution part. So this is the answer. So if you get the 100% concept clarity and there is no doubt in the solution of this question, both parts, then please subscribe our channel, Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of new upcoming videos. This was a question, student, and this was the first part we have solved here, and this was the second part I have solved here. Okay, student?